The 2008 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep Package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, third row seat, power steering, keyless entry, power door locks, child safety locks, center console, audio system, cargo area light. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.